Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
When we talk about AI agents today, it is no longer just a research topic. It is one of the fastest growing areas in applied artificial intelligence. Everyone wants to build an agent that can think, reason, and act on its own, whether it is for automating customer support, generating reports, or managing cloud workflows. But the real question is, how do you actually create an AI agent without spending a fortune on infrastructure or expensive APIs? Well, that is exactly what we are going to explore in this session. How you can create your own AI agent using free or low-cost cloud tools that are already available in 2025. Now, let us first understand what an AI agent truly is in this context. Think of it as an intelligent system that takes a goal, plans the steps needed to achieve it, interacts with tools or APIs to get data, and then performs the task, all without you manually intervening. It could be a chatbot, a workflow bot, or even a research assistant that automates tasks like summarizing documents or generating code. Most people assume you need huge setups for this. But the truth is, you can get started right now using LangChain, CrewAI, OpenAI GPTs, or even Google's Vertex AI extensions, and you can host and orchestrate everything using N8N, replit, or GitHub Actions, all of which offer free tiers. Let us take an example. Imagine you want to build a personal AI research assistant that can read news articles, summarize insights, and send a report to your email daily. The first thing you do is define the agent's goal: automate daily research summaries. Then you define its abilities, like fetching data from websites, analyzing it using an LLM, and then sending the output through an API. Using LangChain, you can connect multiple reasoning components together, such as a text summarizer, a keyword extractor, and a planner that decides what to do next. If you prefer a no-code or low-code environment, you can use N8N IO. It allows you to visually connect these steps like building blocks: fetch, analyze, summarize, and email. You can then host this entire flow on their free cloud environment or deploy it to your own small cloud VM. Even platforms like Replit or Render offer free hosting for simple agent scripts that use Python and APIs. Now, one important piece of advice here. When building agents, make sure you include memory and context. Without memory, your agent will feel like it has amnesia. It will forget what it just did. You can use simple vector databases like chromadb or Pinecone's free plan to store embeddings, so your agent remembers conversations or previous tasks. If you are experimenting with OpenAI GPTs, the good news is that OpenAI now allows custom GPTs to act as mini agents. You can define instructions, upload files, connect actions through APIs, and deploy them publicly, all inside ChatGPT with zero infrastructure setup. Another great option for free experimentation is huggingface spaces. It allows you to create and deploy interactive AI agents using Gradio or Streamlit directly from your browser. You can integrate models, define tools, and share your project link instantly. Once your agent starts working, you can enhance it using cloud-based automations. For instance, connect it with Google Sheets, Slack, or Discord through webhooks. This way, your agent can push updates, generate insights, or trigger workflows automatically. As you can see, creating an AI agent in 2025 does not require advanced engineering. You just need to combine reasoning models, automation tools, and cloud hosting, all of which are freely accessible. If you are thinking about scaling it later, you can move from N8N or Replit to AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, or Google Cloud Run. These serverless services let your agent run on demand and only charge when used. The key takeaway is that you no longer need a huge budget or big infrastructure to build intelligent agents. The ecosystem is now open, modular, and beginner-friendly. So, start small. Pick one task, like automating your daily emails, your study notes, or your social media summaries, and build your first agent around it. Once you see it working, you will realize how much productivity you can unlock just by connecting the right tools. In 2025, AI agents are not just a buzzword anymore. They are becoming part of everyday workflows. And the best part is, you can create one right now, without writing hundreds of lines of code or setting up complex servers.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetguide.net.